evening, guys. Heading off to a bonfire. It's Bonfire Night here in the UK. Remember, the 5th of November. All excited for the fireworks. Not quite as good as Magic Kingdom, but they should still be really good.
Yeah.
Also trialling the camera in low light and at night, because obviously it's a brand new camera to us, so we're just trying to get a feel for it.
And when we get home, we got some sparklers.
Yeah, I bought some sparklers earlier on, so I'm hoping to get those out later and film them as well. Just waiting for the fireworks to start. I've got my very own lighting assistant. He's trying to light my face up.
Light it, mummy. Not too bright, Harry. The same here.
I think the lighting crew needs a bit of work. What do you reckon?
Get rid of some shadows.
Yeah, I've got like that. Just waiting for fireworks to start. It should have started at 7:30. It's now 8:15. I've got one fed up little boy down here. Not that you can see him. Where is he?
Don't you it on?
What's up, chum? There he is, just down there somewhere.
Must be that.
Getting really fed up now. So are we. We just got home from the fireworks and it was really cool. They had an amazing bonfire. It was really well organised and great fun fair. It was so busy though, so we decided not to stay. It's a school night and the kids have got to be up early. It would have been absolutely awesome if it was a weekend. Could have spent a lot longer there and the kids might have been able to go on some rides. But well done, Manchester City Council. It was a really well organised event and the fireworks were fantastic.